Hi everyone, we're going to use properties of logarithms to find the exact value of each expression, and we're going to do these two problems. And the first thing I'm going to do is use substitution and let a equal my powers here. So I'm going to let a equal log base e squared of 16. So I'm going to do the first one and the second one, but you might want to pause on the second one, see if you can do that one after we look at the first one. Okay, so here we go. So what I'm going to do is let a equal log base e squared of 16. And then what we're left with here is going to be e to the eighth a power. So I'm going to be using substitution. Now to rewrite this, I'm going to use my definition of logs here. So when you rewrite this, your base is e squared. So you write e squared. All right. Your value is 16. And your power here is a. So you put the a there. So basically you have e to the 2a power equals 16. And I'm going to write this as 4 squared. All right. Now to get rid of that 2, I'm going to power both sides, or take the square root of both sides. So we're just powered up by 1/2, and you get e to the a equals 4. Now solve for a, so you take ln of both sides. Use your power property, or you can just use the formula, but I do it this way. A times ln of e equals ln of 4. ln of e is just 1. So we have a equals ln of 4, the natural log of 4. So now I'm going to substitute it back into here. I have e to the a, so that's really going to be e to the ln of 4. And based off our my other videos, you should know that this just equals 4. So that's your exact value. All right, now we do the same thing for this one. You might want to pause and see if you can do this. So this is a equals my power here, so log base e squared of 9. So we're left up here with e to the a, and we're going to substitute it back in. Now I'm going to write this as an exponent. So there's your base. Here's your power. So that goes there. Equals 9, your value. So we have e to the 2a, and I'm going to write this as 3 squared. Now square root both sides, or just power each of these by 1/2. And you get e to the little a equals 3. And then if you can use the formula, or just take ln of both sides. Use your power property, and move the a down here. So you get a, and this goes away, because ln of e, again, equals 1. So equals ln of 3. So now we're going to substitute it back into here. So my a is ln of 3, and that means that equals 3. If you don't know why that is, I can go over that now if you want. So if you have e ln of 3, set this to a power, and if you do log of both sides, or we can just do write this as a log. You can write this as log of your base of p equals ln of 3. And ln log base e is another form of writing ln. ln is a shorthand writing log base e. So we have ln of p equals ln of 3. Therefore, your p equals 3, because that would go away. Or just kind of know that that's supposed to equal 3. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.